Scholars have spoken about the person, how does he raise his hands? The way that you raise your hands is, you place your palms towards the sky like this. Your palms go facing, not like this, like that, and don't make your hands straight. You make your palms face upwards, okay? And it also partially faces your face. So you do it like this. So it faces the sky, and it also faces your face. So don't do it like this, but bring it to your face, and also make it face the sky, okay? This is considered, as the scholars mention, 𝗪𝗚 افْتِقَارٍ وَتَذَلُّلٍ وَانْكِسَارٍ. It means that the person is humbling himself for Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, and he's also showing وَإِظْهَارِ الْفَاقَةِ. He's showing that he's really in need. He has haja for Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. He needs Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. But also the raising of the hands, they go in line with the need of the person. So if the person's need becomes more, and he really needs something from Allah, his hands go up and up and up. Okay? And the Prophet ﷺ, the Battle of Badr, he was raising his hands very high, okay, until the cloth fell off the Prophet ﷺ's shoulders. حال القحط, when the drought happened, and the Prophet ﷺ made dua on the mimbar, the pulpit, للاستسقاء, so the rain could come down. Anas ibn Malik, he mentions that he said, رأيت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, I saw the Prophet, يرفع يديه في الدعاء, he was raising his hands in the dua, حتى يرى بياض إبطيه, I can see the whiteness of the Prophet ﷺ's armpits, عليه الصلاة والسلام. Imam al-Bukhari and Muslim both narrated that, وَاللَّفْظُ لِمُسْلِمٍ, like in the wording is the wording of Imam Muslim.